Today on Low Carb with Jennifer, I'm going to show you how to make this $1 million cream cheese dip. Hey guys, welcome back. Today we're making this delicious dip. It is the perfect keto-friendly dip and it's so easy and super delicious. So let's get started. Right here I've got some softened cream cheese, 8 ounces to be exact. In this bowl, it's really nice and soft so we can mix all of our ingredients in it. So what are we gonna add to this cream cheese dip? We've got our cream cheese. I'm gonna add in half a cup of mayo. And I'm gonna go ahead and start smushing this all around so our cream cheese and mayonnaise can get worked together. Okay, that's good. We're gonna add in 1 cup of shredded cheddar cheese and 1 cup of shredded gouda. I love gouda cheese. Earlier we went ahead and cooked our bacon. This is about 8 slices of diced bacon that we cooked until it was nice and crispy. So we're gonna add most of this. I'm gonna leave some of it just to garnish the top. Okay, let's get this combined. Okay, let's finish it off. We've got a half a cup of sliced almonds, a 1/4 cup of chopped green onion, a half a teaspoon of salt, and a 1/4 teaspoon of freshly ground black pepper, 1 teaspoon of garlic powder, and a half a teaspoon of smoked paprika, and a 1/4 teaspoon of cayenne pepper. Get this mixed up. Okay, let's get this on a platter. I'm gonna put some of this on our platter, just kind of make it look a little nicer. And then I'm going to top it with some reserved sliced green onion and the reserved bacon. So what do we serve this with? Well, you can serve it with celery sticks and carrot sticks. You can serve it with some corn, or not corn tortillas, but low carb tortillas that you cut into triangles and bake in the oven until they're crispy. Or you can serve it with pork rinds, and that's what I've got. So I've got some pork rinds here, and we're just gonna spread them around. And look at that. We've got a beautiful dip plate that is perfect for keto. Let's try it out. There's a perfect bite right there. That is amazing. So much flavor. Guys, you're gonna love this recipe. Be sure you take it to your next barbecue or picnic. And while you're at it, you might wanna make these recipes here that are perfect for a Sunday dinner. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye.